All right, guys. It's here. Definitive baseball. We were all skeptical about a possible pushback, but it's on time. Let's roll. Hit draft. Round 1. Box 1. That didn't take long to hit a 101. I don't like how this is packaged, though. What in the world? Just kind of like a piece of film on top. Got a framed hit in here. Looks like we got a redemption. All right. Like I said, we're going to start off with a 101. And it is rookie autograph, Dansby Swanson. Very nice start. Patch autograph. And it is 12 of 15. Alex Reyes. 2-color. Oh, Scotty. Scotty. Buy it all. Alright, then we've got... It's in a bad hit right here. Jersey autograph 20 of 40. Pudge Rodriguez. Hall of Fame hit. Alright, framed autograph. It's in bad. Numbered 6 of 30. Anthony Rizzo. 6 of 30. Mr. Rizzo. Ah, we got a duel. This stuff is looking pretty nice so far, guys. Dual autograph. Here's some Cubbies legends right here. Damn. How about Ryan Sandberg and Chris Bryant, numbered 8 of 25. Ryan Sandberg, Chris Bryant. Another dual autograph. Dual autograph patch collection. Noah Syndergaard, Jacob deGrom. I'm not sure what that's going to be numbered to, but I'm guessing it's going to be 25 or less, I would think. All right, premium relics. Damn, dude, this is unbelievable. Number 4 of 15, Nomar Mazara. It's got the hologram patch on there, too. And we're going to finish with another 1 of 1. It's about freaking time we started out on a high note. 1 of 1, Letterman, Mr. Greg Maddux. 2 Braves 101s. 2 dual autographs. I'd say that's a hell of a start, boys. KCT, go ahead and draft away. Number 1 pick is all you.